Today I'm going to share 3 websites with hundreds of work from home jobs, and these are not just work from home jobs, these are also remote jobs, so you can do these from absolutely anywhere in the world. So what we'll do is we'll go over the websites and I'll show you how to find the jobs, because first of all, the 3 websites that I'm going to share with you, you probably don't even know about them, you don't know that they exist because not many people are sharing these websites. And if I'm being absolutely honest with you, I didn't even know that these existed. It was only when I was doing a bit of research for a blog article that I started uncovering some of these different websites that I'm going to share with you in this video. So we'll go over the websites and I'll show you exactly how to find the jobs. They're all absolutely free to get started with, and this is available in many different countries around the world. So make sure you watch this video till the end, because we'll go over this and I'll show you how to find the jobs and how to filter them via remote jobs and work from home jobs. Some of the different pages, if you don't know where you're looking, then you won't be able to find them. And I did this myself when I was doing the research this morning. I was struggling to find some of the pages, but in this video I'll go through, I'll show you the pages, I'll show you how to find them. I'll give you all of the links down below so you can go direct to the jobs page that we're looking at, and then after we've gone through all of that, I'll show you some reviews of the different websites that I'm going to share in today's video. So let's jump into this now, and I'll share 3 different websites that are offering literally hundreds of work from home jobs. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School, and welcome to today's video. So in today's video I'm going to share with you 3 different websites which you can use to find online jobs. Now all of these jobs, they're all available worldwide. All of the positions are, you can basically apply for any of these positions, because the ones we're going to be focusing on are remote jobs or work from home jobs or work online. So basically, no matter where you are in the world, you can start using these websites and finding different opportunities to earn money online and from home. And you can do this remotely, so you can do this wherever you want. You can do this at home, you can do it at your local coffee shop, absolutely anywhere. So let's jump into the first website. So this is the first website, and don't worry if I'm going through this a little bit too quick, because I'll drop links to absolutely everything I'm talking about below for you. So this is the first website. It's called Athena. Now on here, I'll drop a link to this. This is the job page basically. So on the left hand side here, I've just typed in the keyword remote. Now what this is going to do is it's going to bring up all of the jobs with this keyword in the title, remote. And you can play around with this when you're typing in keywords. You can type in remote work from home and just go and play around with these. So this website here, you can see it's filtering all of the jobs which have the keyword remote in them, and this is covering the United States, United Kingdom, China, Hong Kong, Singapore, Indonesia. And you can go and play around with this a lot more. You can filter this via specific countries, states, cities, etc. Now on here, all you're going to do is you're going to scroll through and have a look at these, and there's jobs available in literally every single category you can think of in here. So basically all you're going to do is you're going to scroll through and have a look and find one that you want to get some more information about. So I'm going to just click on a couple of these and we'll go through and have a look at these. So go through, you can see that I'm on page 2 of 24 here, but you can just honestly just go through all of these and have a look at these. So once you've found one you want to have a look at, you just click on it and it'll take you through to this page here. So it will tell you what the job is. It'll give you a description. So you see this one here. So this position is open across the US and it's not location specific. We are willing to consider applicants based on location, not just where it's listed. So it tells you a little bit about the company, who you'll be working with. And then as usual, it's like any online work jobs. It will tell you, experience required or desired. So things, they would like you to have experience in. They've got education on here, desired skills, additional information about the job. So it's all normal stuff that you'd find if you was applying for a job. So keep scrolling down here. If you scroll all the way to the bottom of this, you've got the apply button. You can also look at the benefits of this and all the other stuff on here. But to go through and apply for any jobs on here, you click on apply. It will then open up into this new browser for you, and then you just go through here and upload. I'm assuming, come down here, see here, you apply to the job and you upload like your CV on here, and again it gives you more information on here. So potential telework position, yes, primary location, full-time or part-time, etc, etc. But this is the website here. Let me go on to here let me come out of here. this is the website. You will find, honestly, you'll find hundreds of different jobs that are available over on here, and you just scroll through and have a look. And like I say, anyone you like the look of, you click on it, it'll give you a little bit more information. It'll tell you what you need, what you don't need, and then you can apply for it. So this is with the keyword remote. Let's just type in work from home. And what I would say is, whenever you're going on any of these 3 websites that I'm going to share with you, go through and put in these different keywords. Type in work from home, type in remote. So here, work from home, it's got 69 results available. Let's go through, and again, you just go through and have a look at any of these that you like the look of, and you'd simply click, have a read of it. If you like it, then you can apply for it. So this is the first website. There's lots and lots of jobs available on here. So the next website we're going to take a look at is this one here. Okay, so this is the next website, and it's the careers.phillips.com. Now this was a little bit tricky to try and find at first when I was doing some research on this morning, so I'll drop a link straight over to the page for you with all of the jobs on here, because if you go through onto the website and you come over to the careers page, it then takes you through to, you know, I'm an established professional, executive level, I'm starting out, etc. But the page you want to be looking for is this one here, and I'll just put this link below for you so you can just go and check this out. And again, this will bring up all of the different jobs which are available working with this company here. So at this moment in time, I'm just in here, and you can filter this by category, job type, country, state. Again, you can play around with it. So you can see at this moment in time, in the Netherlands there's 46 jobs, Germany, Poland, France, India, Singapore. You can see there's many more on here, so you can go through and have a look at these. So if we just go up here, so at this moment in time it's listing 170 different jobs. So let's do what we did in the last one. Let's type in remote and let's see what comes up. So there's 4 jobs available when you type in remote over on this website here. And again, go into any of these. Let's have a look at this. Click on here and it'll open this up for us, and it'll tell us a bit about the job and then, you know, how to apply for this. So here we go. So apply now. You can apply directly with LinkedIn. A bit about the job description, as you can see here, your responsibilities, etc, etc, and that's it. And on all of these websites that we're looking at, they have links out to everything. They have links over to, you know, frequently asked questions pages. They have links over to, you know, if you've got any questions, you can email them directly, so you can just go through this. So let me go back over here. Well, actually, let me go back into here and we'll just go back on here. So this is the second website. It's the careersphillips.com. Feel free to go ahead and literally just have a play around with this. So let me just come out with that one. Let me just clear all. So we've got remote. Was that remote or was that work from home? I think it was remote, wasn't it? So let's just do a work from home. 116 results for the search term work from home. So again, go through and have a look at this. Now at this moment in time, it's bringing up all of the different jobs which are available, because I've not filtered this via, you know, location. So you can filter this via your location and go through and have a look at all of the different jobs which are available on this website here. So this is the Phillips one. Again, I'll drop a link to this below for you, so you can go ahead and have a look and see if there's anything that takes your fancy on this website. So that is the second website. The third website I'm going to share with you is this one here. Okay, so this is the next website, and it's called Enterprise Rent a Car. Now, it doesn't make a difference whichever country you're in. This is obviously the UK version, but if you're in the US, Canada, France, Germany, wherever basically, at the top here, you look where it says careers, click on careers, and it'll take you through to this page here. And this is Enterprise Holdings, you can see. So this is a collective of the 3 different brands who are underneath this Enterprise Holdings. So on here, I've just come into here and I've searched for work from home jobs. Now you can see on here there's currently 71 work from home jobs. And all we're going to do here is just scroll through and find one that you like the look of. Once you do, just click on it. So I'm going to open up into a new tab like this. It'll give you an overview, you know, a bit about the company you're going to be working for. Work hard. What's this? We work hard and reward you hard. So you can expect to receive $13 per hour. And then also you can also earn commissions on here, which is pretty cool. Scroll down here, so it'll go through, you know, your responsibilities, qualifications if you need any. Scroll further down the page, and this is where you go to apply now. So simply find a job that you like the look of and then go and apply for it. There's hundreds on these different websites that we've looked at here. Now, one other thing on here, this is work from home jobs. This is the US, so At the top right here, you've also got a drop down box, so you can go and filter this via your country. Now this is work from home jobs. Now also type in, so this example gone from work from home, also type in remote, just type in remote and we'll see what comes up for that, see if it changes. So for remote, there's one remote job on here, so search for remote jobs and work from home jobs. So those are the 3 different websites. Now if you want to find out some information about the website that you're going to be working for, then you can come over to this website here. It's called Glassdoor. Now on here you will find reviews for any company on here from employees. So this is for enterprise here. You can see there are 12,000 reviews, 247 different jobs on here, the salaries, interviews, etc, etc. And you can go through and have a look. This is real people who are working for the company, and they will give their honest feedback on here. So you can go ahead and have a look at the reviews. So just come through and have a look at it, and if you're interested in having working for any of these different companies, come and do some research on here. It's really simple. You don't even need to sign in with Glassdoor. You can just search for this on Google, type in Glassdoor reviews, and again it will come up depending on your country, and then you can go through and have a look at this. But that is today's video. That's 3 different websites that you can use to find work from home jobs and remote jobs which are available. So I hope you found it useful. If you did, please give the video a like. And as always, if you like simple, easy ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and I'll always update you whenever I've uploaded a new video. So thanks again, have a great day, I'll see you tomorrow.